5 important things to consider before performing a thermal validation. Thermal validation ensures that temperature-controlled equipment, such as ovens, incubators, and chambers, operates according to the manufacturer's specifications and is maintained within a predetermined range. It is a critical process used by laboratories and production plants to ensure that products are kept within the correct temperature range to ensure the safety and quality of the end product. Before performing a thermal validation, it is important to be aware of the following 5 things. 1. Understand the standard. There isn't a one-size-fits-all solution for all businesses or equipment, therefore, adjusting the protocol is necessary to the right standard. For instance, a warehouse could follow ASTM guidelines, while an incubator might be certified under World Health Organization (WHO) requirements. 2. Understand the equipment. Only some of the equipment undergoing validation is equal, much like the standards. The sort of validation to be carried out depends on the size of the stability chamber, which can range from the size of a bench unit to that of a small room. The validation processes are determined by variables like the size of a piece of equipment, which is just as precise as where the probes are placed. 3. Use the proper equipment. Several instruments, including thermocouples, RTDs, and data recorders that can be connected or wireless, can be used for thermal validation. For instance, mapping a warehouse would need more than 100 data loggers, necessitating a wireless strategy. Since wireless data loggers are ineffective at temperatures below -80 degrees Celsius, it may be necessary to use cable thermocouples when verifying in a very cold environment. Understanding the constraints of the various systems and implementing the best ones is crucial, with hybrid strategies occasionally being considered. 4. Observe the proper protocol. When it comes to appropriate validation, the devil is in the details, thus, the protocols must adhere to the standards. This calls for a solid grasp of good manufacturing practices, GMP, which entails thoroughly documenting the required processes. 5. Get your technicians the right training. It is also very critical that technical personnel in all validation processes are adequately instructed on the standards they are using, particularly on how to apply, evaluate and report on those standards. After considering the 5 factors mentioned here, it is evident that thermal validation process is complex and should be done carefully. When done correctly, the benefits of performing a thermal validation are clear and can positively impact overall product performance. Join us on the 22nd of February for valuable insights and real-world examples so that you can ensure the success of your thermal validation effort. Register now at www.qualistory.com.